Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, my lovely Pisces. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Let us see what is coming up, Pisces, for your daily energies and for your love energies, Pisces. King of Cups, Six of Swords, Ten of Swords, Two of Pentacles, Eight of Pentacles. Pisces, with these cards, I feel you are having some kind of you are in a forked road. You do not know which way to go. This may be related to your work. Maybe some kind of opportunity has come up that you have to move to a different city or a different country, and you are not ready to decide today. You are feeling some kind of stress and decisiveness. Because of that, you are undecided. This opportunity has come up, and maybe you feel people are this opportunity may not be what to say good enough for you, and you are thinking about it. You may feel that this is not good enough and it is not a worthwhile worthwhile opportunity for your ability, and you feel people are not treating you right. This may be in your work or in your relationship, and you feel you are striving hard, you're working hard to make things right. You are using your skill, ability, you are feeling that ambition, but things are not going, you feel it's not going up to the up to your expectations, whatever you want to have in life. So whatever you are expecting, it is not going to that limit, Pisces. So you are undecided whether to take this move or whether to take the other move. Maybe this may be regarding some kind of a new job in some creative field, maybe for some of you all, and you are having great concern about this decision, guys. You are feeling very stressed, and you feel people have let you down. So let us see what is coming up with the other set of cards, guys, to get us a better clarity. This may be your energy, or this may be your person's energy towards this relationship or in their work. So let us see what is coming up, guys. Heart, nice. So with these cards, Pisces, I feel you are stressed or some kind of this undecided things. You are in a blackout stage. You do not know which way to go. This may be because of some habits or some kind of addictions you are having, guys. This may be your person's addictions bothering you, or your addictions bothering them. This person is a very friendly person. You have a good understanding but these addictions or bad habits are coming in the way, guys. I feel with these cards you are having that addictions, you want to overcome them. You feel you do not have the energy to overcome this kind of addictions you are having. And people, you feel people are what to say, using you because of these addictions. They are getting they are using you. You are what to say, unable to resist their advances because of that. Maybe they are cheating you because of your addictions. You do not understand the truth properly. And maybe for some of you all, you are feeling very, what to say, you feel you're losing your time, energy and your resources because of this addiction, but you want to come out of it for love, for the love of this person. You want to just come out of it, guys, but you do not know how to do it, what way to do it, whether to move away from these addictions, how to move away from these addictions. So that is the way you feel today, Pisces. So let us see what is coming up with the fairies message, guys. And you are thinking of using your resources wisely, and you want to plan everything, but certain habits of yours or certain habits of your person, or some kind of excessive behavior, some addiction, some kind of repetitive or excessive behavior is bothering you all, guys. So let us see what is coming up, what the fairies are guiding us to do today in the situation, Pisces. Release your power. Love is strange. Ghost people. So Pisces, you may be, what to say, undecided because of these negative habits you had, and now it is the time, guys. You have to, what to say, understand the truth in this relationship. If you want this person, you have to what to say, overcome. You should try and overcome, have that resolution in your heart to overcome, guys. Then you will reach a very good place emotionally and in your relationship, guys. It is the time for you to give up all that guilt, envy, jealousy or fear you had, and you need to welcome that bright, strong and powerful, healthy energy in your heart. When you do that, you will be finding that determination and courage to overcome these habits you have on your part, guys. And it is the time for you to what to say, make a mark for yourself, make a true mark for your own self that reflects your own self. So you don't have to be in such a way thinking that you have to do such habits because other people are doing that when they are stressed, or for your friends, whoever is doing that. So you don't have to imitate them. You can be different from them. You don't have to imitate anybody. So you can have your own way of life, your way, different ideas in life, unique ideas in life. So when you try to incorporate that, you may want to give up these addictions you have, guys, and it will be helpful for you, Pisces. Or this may be your person's energy. They may want to give up their addictions, and the fairies message for them is to be strong, let in the strength into our hearts by giving up jealousy, envy, and the sadness we have in our life, and welcome that love and strength in our hearts, guys. So that is the reading, Pisces. Thank you for watching, guys. I'll see you all tomorrow with another reading. Bye, Pisces.